Check the rust levels on the upper deck. Drone is showing significant corrosion near the bow. Noted. Preparing the next scan sequence.
Take the strain, hold it steady. Watch that section, keep it clear. Lift it up. Swing to the left, steady now.
All right, set it down right there. Hold it steady. Hold it right there. Okay, lower away, easy now. All right, bring it down slow. Hold it there, watch the connection point. Set it down, easy now. Easy now.
Hold that steady while I secure the bottom.
Okay, doing it now. All right, bring it down slow, watch the clearance.
It's settling now. Secure the clamps.
Watch the beam coming through.
Clear the way, clear the way!
We need more partitions on level 3. Level 3. Heads up, watch the lift coming through.
We need that next panel over here now.
All right, hold that frame steady. Steady. All right, bring it up slowly. Hold it steady right there, locking it in.
Swing the pump over, hold it there.
Yeah.
All right, start the pour, keep the pressure steady.
Yeah.
Hitting the vibrators now, watch the levels. Watch the levels. All right, pour starting now.
Yeah.
Keep spreading it evenly. We need that form lined up straight. Straight. Bring it down slow, easy on the left side. All right, hold it steady right there. Almost set.
Okay, push it up against the wall. Is that lined up? Yeah, lock it in place. Okay, push it tight against the frame. Is that level? Yeah, hold it right there. Hold it steady. Okay, secure the bottom left bracket now. Tightening the top right. Right there, hold it steady. Got it. That looks solid. Solid. Hold it steady while I drill this side. Secure the wiring connections now. Make sure that bracket is aligned properly. Make sure the white cables are routed correctly. I'm feeding them in now. All right, secure that bracket tightly. All right, bring it down. Hold it steady, watch the side. Hold it steady on your side. All right, bring it down slowly. Clear left. Looks good. Power it up. Nice. The warm light really makes a difference. Nail this side down first. All right, ready to lift it. Watch the corner. Easy now. What about this one for the base layer?
That's perfect. Let's confirm the texture. It looks great. How about this color scheme for the main corridor?
That looks fantastic. Very sleek and modern. Route these cables through the back first. Okay, got it. I'll secure the main power connection.
Night lighting test begins.
Sure.
All right, ready to start the wash sequence.
All set here. Activating main pumps now.
Final inspection complete. All systems are green. Good work, team. The structure is sound.
Sweeping lights to Sector Gamma. Sector Gamma clear, intensity levels nominal.
The ambiance is perfect tonight. Yes, and this wine is exquisite.
The water looks incredibly inviting.
It does. I can't wait to relax in there. Relax in there.
The view from this deck is absolutely breathtaking. They did an incredible job with the renovation. Cheers to the new space. They truly outdid themselves with this design. It feels like we're floating above the city. The view of the skyline from here is absolutely breathtaking.
I know, Dubai at night is incredible.